said na dapat yung mesa natin is outrageous.
Ano?
Maraming pagkain.
Parang hindi naman yan yung hindi ka na.
You know that I'm tired of work. Marami kaming trinabaho ni tatay kanina.
Hindi ka ata ng word na ginamit. I cannot underestimate you.
We don't eat rice blood feet.
Kapatid mo, di pa nag-rendigo.
Said what?
Hindi nakapagsaing.
You don't even connect to me. I'm hungry to everyone.
Saan ka pupunta, Ray?
To universe, I'm mad to all everyone in home.
Alam mo ba, the son of aling-aling? Why so? Naglayas daw dahil hindi sa pagbibigo. Ano pwede mo? Isain daw. Ngayon ko lang yan nalaman, parang ganun lang maglalayas agad. Hi, mga bata talaga kayo. You said, I also heard that we don't understand each other. Really? So weird. So early in the morning, we were hunting ways to find you but they didn't find you. That's so synchronized of them. Oh, siya. Mamaya naman baka andyan na si Alan. Baka Tiki is talking to her. I reconcile.
Saan na ba ako pupunta nito? Bakit nagpadala ako sa dati?
Ray, anak! Nasaan ka na? Bumalik ka na sa amin. Ma, tama na po. Siguradong babalik si Kuya sa atin.
Saan na ba ako nito? I think I'm ghost.
Naku, nabaga natin tong bata.
Let's get out of here.
Pero,
We can just made our captive. We need to get far. Come forward.
Help! We need help! Please, somebody, mighty, we need help! No one, please! I'm out of oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, helium, brass.
Ang wow! So smelly. Very hallucinating my mind. I can't keep up my brain. I might throw out the food out of my intestines. Ha! It's Ray! Your sound is laying underground. Really? Paano natin? We joke. Kasi, ano? I know, right? Ano ba? Where to see? Your son is dead battery. We see him under the table. I mean, the road.
hey! My son!
Kuya! Magre-rendezvous na ako! Magsasaing na ako! No, we should have left you behind! No, please, Ray! Come back!